Hello, and welcome to this helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to filter keywords in TikTok posts using your Android phone. This feature helps block specific words or hashtags from appearing in your feed. If you're ready to take control of your content, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Now, tap on Filter Keywords. From here, click on Add Keywords. Type in the words or hashtags you want to filter. Then, choose whether to filter from the For You feed, Following, or Friends, Leave, or Select All. Finally, tap Save at the top right corner to apply the changes. And that's how you filter unwanted keywords in TikTok on Android. It's a quick way to customize your feed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tips.